Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Moodle account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Over here, enter the Moodle site of your school. Find the correct link from this list and tap on it. Now you're in the login page of your Moodle site of your school. So enter your username and your password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to this dashboard. Now in order to log out, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. And over here, you can see the logout option at the bottom. You can tap on it and you will be logged out of your account. There you go. As you can see, now I'm logged out of my account. If you want to log in again, you will have to enter your username and your password again. Only then you can access your account again. So this is how you can log out in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.